Yeah. Hey guys, my name is Finch and this is, well, I actually have no idea what this is. I guess my first MotoVlog or something. I was wondering a long time what the hell am I actually going to talk about, but I guess it doesn't even matter. I got the setup, got the camera, got the adapter for my GoPro Hero 8 Black, so I was like, hey, why not? So here I am talking to myself on my bike Friday afternoon. But if you saw my YouTube channel and a few of the videos, you know I have Alpinestars Supertech R boots, which I got not a long time ago, like about a month or so. And these boots, man, these boots are pretty damn amazing. I didn't expect for them to be that good, because I was like, hey, it's just boots, right? No, it's not. And the one guy told me once, yeah, they are expensive as hell, but they are still cheaper than a new foot. And that's right, you can't get another foot, but you can get another pair of boots to use. So I kinda advise you to get a solid pair of boots for your riding, because hey, you're not supposed to dress to look, I don't know, cool. Man, it's not about that. You need to dress appropriately. Right boots, right gloves, suit, solid helmet, because when you fall you want to get as much protection as you possibly can, because you have basically nothing to save you besides your gear. So get one, use one. But back to the boots. I was using old Suomi, something like that. Old boots, no ankle protection whatsoever, kinda cheap, but I had them for a very long time. I don't know, 5 years maybe, something like that. Super solid. I was happy about them. I was like, yeah, great boots, no problem there. But the sole of the left boot that I had went to shit after sliding all over the bag, so I had to get the new ones, the Alpinestars, as I was talking about earlier. And these boots really made a difference, and a big one. The biggest difference for me is the grip that I feel on the back, because with my old boots I was like just sliding my foot all around the bag with no problem, pretty easily. But these boots, these Alpinestars, man, I can't do that. It's so hard. The grip is quite substantial, and that's good. That's good. You want to feel connected to your bike. The other thing that is lovely about these boots is they have inner booty. There's a small boot that you have inside with the all ankle support that you need. It's like, so you should definitely get some. Oh, look at that. Hey guys, nice. Yeah, where was I? Jesus, man, I got distracted so easily. That's gonna be tough. Well, yeah, the boots kinda review jibber jabber, or what the hell is this? As I was kinda diving into the boots, I found out there are a lot of parts that you can replace easily on the boots, like a little slider, and it actually made me wonder if it's worth to get the new gloves, because these ones are kinda old and not really that good, pretty beat up. I had a few crashes in those gloves, so yeah. Because if the quality of the boots from Alpinestars is really on point, that high as it is, man, what about the gloves? The gloves has to be amazing, right? So I'm kinda in the decision-making process if I should get some or not, and if yes, which ones? This bike that I have is Yamaha R6 09. It has about 20,000 kilometers on it. I'm the second owner. The first guy, I mean, yeah, he was kinda bullshitter. He was like, yeah man, I took the bike for the racetrack once or twice or something like that. Just some random bullshit basically. But I didn't know as much about R6s back there before. It was 2 years ago, so I kinda went for it, sent it, and now I'm living with the consequences. I found some weird random shit going on, but nothing major really. But yeah, but hey, you can't ever be smart enough when you're getting a bike that you don't know, that you're not used to, bike that you have basically never ridden before properly. I mean, yeah, you may had ride or two, but man, you have no idea what the bike does, how it feels, what it can do, unless you had one before. So yeah, I didn't. I had 100cc Husqvarna. It was a Supermoto 2-stroke engine. It was great, man. That power was insane on such a small bike. So I had no idea what I'm actually getting into, but I did it anyways. This was my dream bike, so yeah, I sent it. So about the problems that I ran into. The previous owner was like, nah, the bike never fell on the ground and stuff like that. Yeah, bullshit. Every fucking bike in the world fell. It doesn't matter if it fell, it fell. What matters is how many times, in my opinion, but don't quote me on that. So I got the bike, took it home, and I noticed the frame under the tank has some dingles in it, like cracks or something, but it was painted, so I didn't really care about. So yeah, this bike definitely felt like left side. Maybe there was a scratch on the swing arm in the back. The owner was like, yeah, that's from the stands and shit. Not really, mate. Looked like an exhaust that was slammed into the swing arm. Another thing, what's next? Yeah, front forks. Front forks were bent a little. Not too much, nothing crazy, but it was definitely not cool. So yeah, I got this figured out, straightened back to normal, basically OEM. And this traffic is just fucking insane. Alright, so I'm guessing this is gonna take a while. I mean, yeah, I can just send it over the full line, but yeah, that's not really that careful and super safe and stuff. And hey, all of us, we just have one life to live. There are no second chances. Biking is dangerous, kinda. Sometimes it's your fault, sometimes it isn't. But still, you, me, all of you, we should be careful. We have families, we have brothers, sisters, mothers, fathers, and you should also know the road, know your speed, be careful, just send it in your comfy zone, as they say. I have no idea if you can actually hear me or not over the engine, so I guess I'm gonna find out later when I check the video. And there was a fucking police unit. Well, that's a bummer. Jesus Christ, thank God. Thank God. The right turn is kinda scary. I can fucking vomit in there. Oh, dodge that one, I guess. The thing I've learned over the years of driving cars, bikes, is you really can't trust anyone on the road. Just yourself. Anyone. Because if you rely on the other drivers that they do what they're supposed to do. See that guy? I mean, what the hell? Doesn't matter really, he's fast enough, but yeah, if we're talking like principle, yeah, that was a bullshit to do. I'm gonna have to turn around anyways, because I don't like that big fat stormy cloud out there, and I mean, seriously, what's the point, man? You go in and then you go out in here. Yeah, hate this so much. And if this is a beginner friendly bike, well, you have to decide if you want it or not. But these bikes are pretty fast, really, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty powerful too. So you kinda have to be careful with those, really. Because once you go down, I guess you can say you're pretty much going down hard. R6 is a screamer. A lot of this bike's power, it's delivered over 10,000 RPMs. So under that, as you can see, under 10,000 RPMs, it's basically pretty easy to ride, beginner friendly even, if I may say this. But Once you hit 10k, 12, 14, man, oh, and back to Yamaha R6 or any other super sport 600cc bike that you can get these days. All of these bikes are pretty damn capable, and from my point of view there is not really a reason why you should get a liter bike, because I mean, do you really need that power? I mean, man, seriously, do you? On the road? Nah. 600cc bike, it's more than enough, more than enough. You don't have to squeeze that as hard as 600, so yeah, could be actually better in this regard to have a liter over 600, but other than that, man, I don't really see why would you even fucking get liter bike on the road. There's no point. These bikes, these 600s are just, they fucking go, man. And as you can see, they fucking want to go. If you actually rev them enough, these bikes are super fast, man. On the road, dang it. Whew. This fucking gets the juices going, man. Yeah, and this is it. 600cc for you guys. Doesn't look like much, but it has a lot of power once you rev it enough. So yeah, still not sure about that beginner friendly stuff. Would I get that as a beginner bike? No, not me. Yeah, the downside of this R6, or I guess all R6s, specs are pretty dang high. The seat high as well. So you sit like this basically, because the handlebars are so low. It may be pretty uncomfortable if you're a big dude or girl, doesn't matter. But I'm not that high. I mean, dang it, wow, I'm not that tall. That was a big mistake. So it fits me quite well, I guess. And we can go for a pull. Oh yeah. Those were the main downsides for me, and everyone should have a dream. Doesn't matter if it's a bike, car, trip, house, kid, wife, job. Doesn't really matter. The main thing is, once you have it, you want to reach it no matter what. Set your goal and get it. That's what's life all about. Set a goal and made it fucking happen. And that's it, guys. Peace out, ride safe, take care. See you in the next one.